figures show the numbers.
Hello guys, it's Washer Lad 2014 here. I'm at a place called Bournemouth and I've spotted a British Shark Foundation, so I've had a look in here and I found this. The Panasonic, it's the NA-16VX1.
And how they do it, and they make it sound very plausible.
So here's the drawer,
so
looks
much so
very
that,
clean.
That sucked him in, and that's probably
That's all
hundreds of other
the
people get taken
cycles.
in
You've
by
got
them
Quiet,
as well.
Quick 60 colours, Rapid 15, Duvet, Tub Clean, Cotton, Cotton Zuko, Easy Care Wool, Silk, Delicates and Shirts. There's the start pause button, got the on button, got the off button, got mode, time, minutes and temperature. There's the options you can have: easy iron, pre-wash, extra rinse and intensive. Here's the door. You just press this button and the door will open. Oh, look at that drum. It looks like a Samsung Quick Drive.
I have protected Theresa May when she was Home Secretary. And
so this isn't the Vestal made Panasonic. This isn't the Vestal made Panasonic. What I like about it, that just moves when you close it. Yeah, there's the shield there. I think this might have a jet system as well. Anyway, that's the only washing machine here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, then don't forget to like the video, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you can watch all the latest content and never miss out on it. And yeah, never miss out on any videos. Alright. I shall see you guys another time. Goodbye.